For healthy living sake, I do not fry my akara deep fried. So I had to blend my beans. I've already put in my pepper, my onion, and everything to the blender. So I blended. Here is me mixing the one I'm going to fry. I put in some onion, then cabbage. Then I poured in my beans. I'm also going to put in 1 egg. I don't know how come it didn't happen in this video. So I put in 1 egg. And then I'm going to add some oil to the pan and use the oil to spread around the pan. Then I'll put in my beans. This is me putting in the bean cake. So I'm going to pan fry, and then I will turn it as desired. And when you're turning it, please press it down so that it can get cooked. This is beans, so you want to ensure that it really cooks properly. And you'll see me pressing it down with either my spoon or whatever you're using to fry it. Try to press it down. So this is me eating it, showing you that it is well cooked. You can try this. Will you be trying it? Let me know. So I had it with my house help, Mary, my brother, and myself. We enjoyed our Saturday breakfast.